Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have yet another amazing software for you. This one is called Age, from my brother and the great Seyi Adeleke. And this one, in a nutshell, is the world's first app that turns any thoughts of yours into real and functional business using Siri-like features or just any keyword to create websites, voice videos, funnels, audiobooks, flip books, business cards, websites, blog posts, social media proof, anything you can think of, even virtual assistants. With this product, with just keyword, you will be able to turn any thoughts that you have into ideas, into websites, into anything that can with the artificial intelligence automatically post your links to or your work to the social media and all the rest of them. It's an amazing product which is going live today, the 1st of September 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York. It's an amazing one from the great Seyi Adeleke. I mean, if you are new to my channel, you have no other choice now than to try to subscribe, like the comment, and go from here and see that you use the bell button to get notifications. I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you make money online, especially training courses and of course softwares that are going to help you make work easy and your aim of making money online very easy. It's an amazing product. I am very proud as always. He's the creator of Brainbox. He's the creator of Crypto Page, and the rest of them, all of them are mega bust products that are still selling in their tens of thousands today. So you can imagine what you have here, another exceptional material you have here. So this is the sales page. If you stick with me, I will actually show you the very members area of this software, which I was privileged to get from Seyi himself. And you can imagine what you have here. It is going to blow your mind what is contained in this tool. And then if you stick with me, I'll show you also the very pricing for this product, and as well as the bonuses that I have lined up for you. So stick to the end of this one, and at any time you decide to get a copy of this product, you will find that first link below in my description area. That link will definitely take you to the sales page, where you are going to find the very button that is going to actually give you access to getting this product yourself. I will try to get a flash of them so that you see exactly how it looks, exactly like this. When you click that link below in my description, I will bring you here, and you click this link, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. Now, if you don't mind, let us just go straight into this very review for Age and see all the information you have and all the benefits you stand to get with this one. It helps you deploy AI expert bots in any niche with just a click. With one click keyword, generate complete funnels, websites, landing pages, and more. More than 85 AI features are included. I've seen it myself inside this Age. No setup or configuration. You use your voice and do whatever you want. You can use Age to create your own version of Age and charge people for it. Zero manual work with Age. Never write, never design, and no code again. And you have zero limits on the features and usage. Use their AI powered traffic to get hundreds of customers, which directly sort of prompts these very posts and whatever you have done with Age directly to your social media handles like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, which is X now, Facebook, whatever, LinkedIn. They are all there, and you have 99.99 uptime guaranteed and 30-day money back guaranteed, and zero upfront cost is actually required. It does not take any complicated setup. Get up and running in just 2 minutes. This is exactly what I believe this product is, because I have seen the dashboard. I have demonstrated some of the features there, and I can tell you what blew my mind when I was there was that I tried to turn a speech into text, and it did that exceptionally well. And of course, that is about the much I can talk about that in a nutshell. I will leave the review of the sales page to you when you arrive here, so that you see exactly how this is going to help you. This first step to this will be to log in after purchase and get access to this very dashboard, where you are going to perform all the magic you need. And then the step 2 will be to actually hold on a sec. Step 2 will be to deploy any AI expert bots in any niche you want, and just one click. And also you have step 3, let their AI expert chatbot create and run an entire business for you. So I mean, this is the kind of money that is made on a daily basis with this very Edge by the beta testers and the creator of this one, and that will be one of the capabilities you are going to have with this. Okay, it generates voiceovers. I will show you lots of things that's going to do for you in the dashboard, so that you see if this is going to be for you. But I can tell you, if you want a business in a box and AI to work for you while you are sleeping, definitely this will be the instrument to use. After all, what we are going to use is actually use your voice or any keyword that you can type with your hand. You can voice it out there, and the AI bot is going to take up their task and create whatever you want in that very section of the dashboard where that very capability is installed for you to be able to make use of. Okay, so I am really interested in this very one because it makes a lot of sense to me. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but it's not going to stop me from reviewing Edge or repeating it. Now, these are the testimonials you have, which you can have access to at your convenience, so that you see if this is going to be for you. But for now, we are going to have to abandon this sales page so that you take your time when you arrive here to actually get to see all the things you have to garner with this very one. But for now, let us see the very instrument itself, the dashboard area of Edge. And now, if you come to this dashboard, you click the AI tools, it's going to take us to a lot of features. Just look at what you have here as capabilities: image to video, cropping, image library, video library, compression, colorization, enhancement, AI graphics, AI image, background remover, WhatsApp, AI social proof, flipbook, creator, text to speech. I've used that. AI interact, and AI business card, AI code, voiceover generator, chatbot generator, AI call, assistant builder, and AI page builder. So you have all these capabilities. Now let us perform one of them, because I don't think we can go through all these other ones. Now let us see, for example, the AI page builder, I guess, and see if it's going to give us some of the options you have. This one is going to require keyboard. Let's see if we can log in with this very link, which I have already saved, I guess. So this is it. And now you have no recent action. It's actually trying to boot, so in any case, I don't see anything here. If we go back, maybe we will have the opportunity to start afresh and see if this is going to actually, this is what I'm looking at now. This is the AI assistant in different niches. Let's see if this is going to open. Now this is the one I've already created. Let's go back and see if we can demonstrate something. AI call. Let's see what we have there. Now look at all the features you have: blog posts, emails, social media, contents, video, websites, marketing, ads, and framework. And you have all these capabilities here under emails, follow-up emails, cold emails, welcome emails, email subject lines, and you have on social media, Twitter, tweets, LinkedIn ad headlines, LinkedIn posts, Google Ads description. You have Google Ads headlines, Facebook headlines, social media post, personal, and of course business. You have Instagram hashtag generator, Instagram captions, LinkedIn ad descriptions, and Facebook ads. You have under content, tone charger, dictionary, privacy policy, terms and conditions, content writer, pro and cons, and of course write keyword, text extender, summarize text. Everything you can think of is embedded in this. And you have videos, video titles that it can generate for you, video descriptions, YouTube tag generations, and TikTok video scripts. And you have video scripts. You have under websites, testimonials and reviews, newsletter generator, meta description, fax answers, and company bio. Under marketing, you have company press release, brand product release, brand names, ad headlines, clickbait titles. You have under frameworks, problem, agitation, solution, attention, interest, desire, action framework, and you have before, after, bridge framework. You have promise, picture, proof, push. All these things are all under this very amazing product. And you have e-commerce, and you have all these other features for e-commerce, which means This is a tool that will definitely blow anybody's mind, because I mean, it has basically anything you can do, and the chatbot AI is going to do this job for you. So you are basically not actually doing anything yourself. So let's go back to the tool area and see if we can just use one of the features like text to speech. If you click that, it's going to actually give you all the information you need. All you need to do is to actually drag or browse anything you want, and maybe that's a voice note or a speech of some kind. And then if we scroll through my system, let us use this for example and see if we can get that to actually transcribe this very speech to text. Transcribe. If you click that button, it's going to come up with something. And the good thing about the tool, one of the pros for this tool, which for reason why I recommend it, is that it's very fast. It actually does what you ask it to do in a very, very short time, and you will be able to find that file. This is the file already, and you can download it here or listen to it, okay? So, or read it as you desire. But for now, let's see if we can go back and try something else and see if we can make it. In any case, I'm going to put the very demo video of this very product directly under my description, so that you take a look and see how it works when it is in action, so that you see if this is going to be for you. Okay, now this is the much we can go on this. It is loaded. Now let me show you the very pricing for this product, so that you see what you stand to spend in order to get a copy of this. Now this is the OTO. The front end goes for $15, and that will give you access to these very capabilities under the dashboard, and under all these things that I have showed you. You'll be able to have direct access to that if eventually you actually get to see this product as your own and get a copy for yourself. So you see, it gives you access to this very dashboard. And now if you actually go to the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited version, it goes for $67, and it will give you everything basically unlimited. You have the OTO number 2, which is the done for you edition, goes for a whopping $297, approximately $300, and this means that you don't need to lift your finger. The team of this very launch is going to do everything for you. That's why it's called done for you. Okay, it goes for $297. You have OTO number 3, which is the automation, goes for $47. Everything is automated for you to work even when you are sleeping or lounging in the beaches on your holidays. You are making money using this automation system, which is upgrade number 3, and that's for $47. You have OTO number 4, which is the Swift profits, goes for $47. You have OTO number 5, the limitless traffic, goes for $97. You have, of course, the OTO number 6, the agency, for $167. And you have the OTO upgrade number 7, franchise edition, for $97, and that will give you access to all the information you need and the pricing. And of course, let's now see the crazy and amazing bonuses that I have for you. Now, number 1 is the trading course that is called Latitude, which is still selling on Warrior Plus platform. It is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, and it helps you make money using blockchain NFTs, so that you can make money use that. A lot of people, kids, are actually using NFTs to make money, which are digital arts and non-fungible digital arts. Okay, so now you have the OTO number 2, the bonus number 2 from you, which is TweetX, which is another application that's going to help you use Chrome extension to drive traffic from Twitter, which is now X, to your offer or link of your choice. You have also bonus number 3, which is Insurgency, a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also the bonus number 4, which is the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is how to actually snipe traffic from different sources, as you know, inculcated in this very application. And you have also number 5 as the JavaScript commission bot. You have number 6 as the lockdown formula, a training course for beginners, how you learn how to make money online from scratch. You have also number 7, which is the last one, which is the commission toolbox, which gives you the ability to have over 1,000 links that will give you different capabilities on how to make money online. Tools like we have in this age, tools like background remover, video editor, generator, anything you want, it's there, over 1,000 links. And at any time, like I said before, you purchase this product, after your purchase history, under your purchase, you find a page that looks like this. Under your purchase history, this first button green will give you access to Edge, and this blue one gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Like I said, it's a crazy product that's going live on the 1st of September 2023 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. That means today, from 5 p.m. European time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you'll be able to buy this product. That's when the links that are scattered all over this very sales page will be operational. Okay, so it's amazing what we have here as a product from Sheyi, and I will encourage you, if you are new to my channel, to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, guys, it's goodbye.